Hi everybody, trademark attorney Josh Gerben. I have some news for you. Kylie Jenner has filed 18 new trademark applications with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The filings are for Kylie Con with a C, Kylie Con with a K, and Kylie Museum. The applications were all filed on January 9th and indicate that Kylie Jenner has an intent to offer a Kylie Con. This would be some sort of special event or exhibit with interactive experiences for social entertainment purposes, and even a class or workshop on beauty care. But Kylie didn't stop there. She also filed applications for Kylie Con for a brand of clothing, for a brand of carrying bags or backpacks, and even for a brand of cases for mobile phones. In addition to the Kylie Con applications, Kylie Jenner also filed applications for Kylie Museum. So perhaps when you show up at Kylie Con, there will be a Kylie Museum to visit. So there you have it, Kylie Jenner showing up at the United States Patent and Trademark Office on January 9th, filing 18 trademark applications for Kylie Con and Kylie Museum with an intent to use these trademarks soon. So get ready for Kylie Con. It's coming to a city near you